Alright, oil change 101, tips and tricks. Remove bung, allow oil to flow freely. Oh, fuck me dead. Alright, that's enough of the oil coming out. The brand new sump plug. Plug her up. Alright. Oh shit. Drop my fucking phone. Set that back up. Oh, get the old socket. Oh, fucking undoing it now. No, that's undoing it. You get it nice and tight. Ugh. Yep, that's good. Now we'll get some of this fucking degreaser. Get that going. Get me nice fucking clean oily rag. And give that a bit of a clean up. Make that nice and fucking clean. Let me just fucking double check the plug. Ugh, she's nice and tight. No fucking movement on it. Good. Oh, now I got fucking oil on it again. There you go. Spick and span. And that's done. On to the next part. Alright guys, here we are. Funnel into our filler cap. Got our 20W60 oil. It's recommended by the auto shop. Fucking tip her in. Oh, so we need 4.8 litres and I got a 5 litre bottle. And that's it. It's just not Hilux, so we don't need to be too accurate, but accurate enough considering only about a litre came out, and I'm putting about 4.5 to almost 5 litres back in. Take our funnel out. Shake the excess just onto the motor so it doesn't rust. And then we'll just check our dipstick. Oh, look at that. Says there's oil in there. Give it a quick wipe off with my fingers because I'm a toughie. Slide it back in. Pull it back out. And she says she's right up to the full line. Where are we? Just here. Perfect. I'm no mechanic by any means, but good enough. Alright guys, just going to check the oil with the dipstick. Yep, she's good. But there's a trick not many mechanics want you to know, but I'll let you in. If you pull the dipstick out and have a look at it, and if you are low on oil, hold it up like this for a little bit till it runs down to the full line, and then check it, and you're good. Doesn't need any more oil.